Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. Charge both earbuds and the case to at least 50% so pairing is stable. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep it within 3 meters for a reliable connection. Once done, open the case and watch for the LED. If pairing doesn't start, press the case pairing button briefly. You want the device to detect the earbuds quickly. That minimizes reconnection errors and prepares you for noise control setup. You now activate active noise cancellation using the physical touch controls or the companion app. Press and hold or tap as instructed to cycle modes. Once ANC is on, adjust the ANC level or switch to transparency so you can hear announcements when needed. Make sure the earbuds have a proper seal. A bad seal reduces ANC and bass. If the seal fails, swap ear tips or run an ear tip fit test in the app. To optimize, you finish by testing with music and ambient sounds. Play a track, switch to transparency, and listen for expected differences. Make sure firmware is up to date in the app because updates fix ANC and connection bugs. If you still hear distortion or dropouts, fully charge both earbuds and the case, then reset pairing in settings. This clears cached profiles and often resolves stubborn issues. One troubleshooting tip: if ANC feels weak, confirm the ear tips fit snugly and rerun the fit test in the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.